Okay, so we were at the store and we saw this. If you can read it, it's a grape leaf wrapper. لفافة ورق عنب. For a nice low price of 59 riyal. So it's about 15 bucks for this gizmo. Opened it out. And here it is. More or less the way it came, just washed. If you're going to be putting food on it, you want to make sure it's washed. So, no instructions. Oops. All the instructions are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll give it a try. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start the stopwatch. The goal is we're going to see how long it's going to take me to make 5 of these. We'll see if I can even make that. So we're going to start the stopwatch. I haven't had any practice yet, so it's going to be a challenge. And there are no instructions, so we'll give it a shot. Yeah, stuff. Yeah, maybe I should have at least looked how much should go on. That should be fine. Oop.
One. It rolled. It still counts.
Still counts. Just because it won't get eaten doesn't mean it doesn't count. Okay. I'm getting more confident in this. Let's try this one again.
أيوة امسكها.
Aha.
2.
I'm getting a little conveyor thing going on over here. Now you're gonna get scared. I gotta.
Seriously, this isn't too bad.
Yeah, better than I expected, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, reliability might be an issue. I got it. Just gotta. I just need 5. There we go. That's 3.
Uh-huh. Does it work anymore?
Don't jinx me. Okay, I'm running out of time. It's already 2 minutes here. Come on. It worked so well in the beginning. That's 3.
That's 4, actually, technically.
Oh, yeah. 4.
Yeah, so you got one more.
One more. Come on. You can do this. Then I'll figure out how to fix it afterwards.
Yeah.
Be gentle.
So I can do the rest of the jar.
Yeah, that's right. Just because.
La. Oh.
I can force it. Maybe. Ta-da!
Oh, wow.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Works.
Not too bad, actually.
Wait,
it's
time.
rolled.
I take credit. 2.5.
Okay.
2.5.
2.5. Yeah. That's actually not too bad.
You're hitting the 3-minute mark.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay, yeah, fair enough.
Okay, so now's your chance to try to compete against me.
I gotta beat the machine. I have my 5, my meat, and let's start.
Time has started. We'll see if you can beat mine. That was 5 and 2.5, so it's about 30 seconds. Took me 30 seconds for each leffe.
Well, I'll tell you, mine are smaller.
Yeah, we're gonna give score for consistency too.
Okay, fine. Let's see.
You're hitting that half-minute mark right now. Getting nervous. Let me see if I can try to get some of this technique so other people can steal if they don't have the machine handy. I don't know if you could buy it online.
Actually, yeah, I wonder if you can find it on Amazon. I gotta see if I can find it on Amazon. That would be interesting to see even the price difference. Okay. So over, pull in your sides so that the stuff doesn't come out of the side, and then just roll it up like a cigar, I guess you could say, right?
I don't know. Mine. Some of them look like they were sneaking out the side.
Yeah. See.
That's fine. Keep looking over there. You're gonna mess up your own time.
I'm gonna.
You got 3, and it's almost a minute and a half. It's getting close. Wait, how do you get 4 already? I thought I counted 3.
4.
It gotta be the weight equivalent. So you gotta
No. It's 5.
tiny ones.
I make them small.
Okay, so let's see. Let's compare.
Do I pause it?
Hold on. Oh yeah, time limit. Okay, you did beat me. So your skill beat mine, but we'll see if I had years of practice on the machine, how long it would take. Okay, so
see? And they're nice and they're tight. So this one, it seems like it closes on one side but not on the other.
Yeah, you and your luck. Maybe if you have to fold it in.
That could be it, depending on how you place it in the machine.
Okay, not too bad.
But I got the time beat.
Fair enough.
Okay, so now I'm gonna lay all my 5 leaves out, put meat on all 5, and then roll each one. And we're gonna see if that beats doing them individually, or is it more or less the same thing.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's start the clock.
Open up the space.
We're still counting the time it takes to set up.
Yep.
So how long does it take to normally do a jar of these?
5. Well, usually I'm watching TV while I'm doing it. So it's like, I don't know, maybe between an hour to 2 hours. No more than that. Okay. Now we'll put the meat on all of them.
Well, you're getting to about a minute right now. Just hit the minute mark, so we'll see. You did 2.5 minutes for 1 by 1.
What's it 2 now? I thought it was a minute and 40 seconds. Okay, so now I'm gonna roll. Too bad I didn't have 5 hands, and I can just roll them all at once. Okay, so that's 1.
You always just make one giant long one and just chop it up.
Oh yeah. And that is.
You got a minute and a half
2.
now. You said a minute 40?
Yep. That is 3. Actually, it's quite close.
Well, that's a minute 40 right now.
I think it was a minute 40, wasn't it? That's 3.
That's 4.
Oh, 4. Yep. And that is 5.
Okay, right about 2 minutes. And looks like the quality is about the same. Good job.
Thank you, thank you.